Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Dazn on a desktop browser. This is the direct, reliable route. Once signed in, go straight to My Account. You need to confirm payment method because the cancellation path differs if billed by Apple, Google Play, or a TV provider. Make sure to check the email associated with the account for verification prompts. If you can access subscription settings, you're ready for the cancellation step. Otherwise, note the third-party billing source now. Inside My Account, navigate to Subscription or Payment. This is the core cancellation flow. You'll select Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts that confirm your reason and show your final billing date. Read them. Once you confirm, Dazn typically ends future renewals while allowing access until the paid period ends. Save or screenshot the confirmation screen and check your email for the cancellation receipt. If billed via Apple or Google, you must cancel in their subscription. Finish by verifying the cancellation email and noting your last active date. That proves you stopped renewals. If you don't see a cancel button, contact Dazn support immediately. Use the in-app chat or support section and quote your account email and last 4 digits of the payment method. If Dazn says a third-party bills you, go to Apple, Google, or your TV provider subscription settings and cancel there. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache or try another browser before calling support. Sometimes the cancel button is hidden by a cached page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.